I came from Mr. Jinshan class. Today I will be talking about the YouTube question on chapter 11 part 3 example 2, and this chapter is contained of trigonometric functions and the stuff of how we solve with formula. So let's get started. In 11.3 trigonometric function, to emphasize the integration, at first we need to know that trigonometric function is a function of angle and is an abstract of quantity, abstract quan. And another one is used in trigonometry, including the sine, cos, tan that we study in algebra 2 or geometry to find the hyperbolic of counterpart. So this is the little part of trigonometric that we need to use in integration. Integration means combine. Here's the formulas of the differentiation. This side is for the integration and this side is for the differentiation. So we need to talk to the 6 integration formulas corresponding to the derivative of the basic trigonometric function, right? So let's keep in mind that u will be the differentiation of the dips, and for the integration function for the simplest one will be d over dx, open parenthesis, cos u, close parenthesis, right? Then equal to sine u equal d equal dx, du equal dx. Remember that after we integration or differentiation, everything will be du over dx. But for the integration, the answer will become out with constant. As you see, it will remind you that if you are wrong in the answer, in finding the integration, if you can find the constant, the answer is wrong. Then let's get started to the formulas to put in our example 2. Question for example 2 is say that using a trigonometric identity to find tan power 2 x dx. So we'll need to see in this path that which one can find the trigonometric identity. So tan will be correlation with sec. Sec is from the integration to be formulated in the differentiation. As you see that tan will be recognized by the basic integration. As we use only the formulas, we can combine this to get the integration. As I say that integration is a combined. So we need to use tan as the starting of the formula. Tan 2 x dx. This is the question, right? Put this one more. This will be equal to, use this formula, d over dx sec u and sec u tan u du over dx. Then we use this one. We combine the Pythagorean identity to find this. Then we put the tan to be -1, right? Then we pass the sec over to there, sec, and put x. Because we put here one more, then it will combine to, you put x here and close and put the outside of the x. We separate each of the question but get this to form in another formula to find the differentiation, right? We need to put into the integration. So because this chapter says to find the trigonometric function in integration, that means we need to combine it together. Then we do it again. We put down -1 if we cut down and transform in 1 more is -1 sec a power 2x, and this will be put into minus x plus tan x plus the constant. As I say that you look in the tan u, because it say that let's u be x, right? Then this one is the x, so as we cut off, you will get only -x plus the tan, as in the formula, tan u plus c. And reminder, you need to put the c. If we can't put the c, this answer will not be integration. You can find the integration without constant. I want to ask you to tell about the integration and combine out of, however, but the various integration of the function and identity maybe happen in the not fit into the formula. We have 6 formula, but somehow in the next step of the higher of this, we can know that this 6 formula can be integrated or differentiated in indirectly, or if we can't find it indirectly, we need to separate and make another formula to fill in the directly and get in and find out the question. But reminder, integration need to find out and have constant at last. Without finding the constant, this cannot be integration. And for differentiation, every time you find a differentiation in the step of trigonometric identity, we need to find the differentiation first and find the integration. Du over dx will always be the ended point of the differentiation. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Hope everyone get the lesson that I taught you. Some of the trick is it need to be the practices more, and however, if we practice more and get to know more of the question, try to find the question is harder, and we need to know by ourselves in limited time that we have. Without having time that we're finding this, we can get the directly question right.